At 47, he slept on the factory floor. At 50, he became one of the most influential figures in modern tech. This is the story of Elon Musk, and it's not what most people think. 2018. Tesla is on the edge of collapse. Elon Musk is practically living in the factory, sleeping a few hours on the floor, waking up, and returning straight to the assembly line. Outside, the media predicts failure. Inside, he's fighting the clock and himself. A journey filled with pressure, ambition, and impossible decisions. A man praised as a genius and criticized as reckless. Let's explore the full story as history recorded it. Elon Musk was born in 1971 in Pretoria, South Africa. He grew up quiet, absorbed in science fiction books and early computers. While other kids played outside, Elon spent hours reading, imagining different worlds. But childhood wasn't gentle. He was bullied severely. Once he was pushed down a staircase and ended up in the hospital. That loneliness shaped him. It pushed him inward and made him depend on his own thoughts. At 17, Musk made a bold decision. He wanted to leave South Africa and chase a future bigger than the world he knew. He moved to Canada. He had very little money. He worked random jobs, chopping wood, cleaning boiler rooms, anything that paid. But behind all of it, he carried one belief, that his life would be built in technology, and that one day he would create something meaningful. In 1995, Musk entered the booming world of the internet in America. With his brother, he built Zip2, an online business directory. They slept in the office, showered at a nearby gym, lived at the same speed the internet was growing. Zip2 was eventually sold, and Elon earned his first serious money. Then he built X.com, a platform to change how people move money online. The company later evolved into PayPal. But at the height of its rise, Elon was pushed out from a company he started. Ironically, while he was on his honeymoon. That moment stayed with him for years. After PayPal, Musk had money, but also a bigger question: what should he build next? His answer was extreme. SpaceX, Tesla, Solar City. 3 high-risk companies, 3 industries that barely believed in him. SpaceX wanted to cut the cost of spaceflight. Tesla wanted to make electric cars mainstream. Solar City aimed to accelerate clean energy. But in 2008, everything almost fell apart. SpaceX failed 3 launches in a row. Tesla was running out of cash. Solar City was hit by the financial crisis. Musk poured almost all of his money into saving them. He even borrowed money just to pay for basic living expenses. At that moment, many people thought, this is the end of Elon Musk. Then came September 28, 2008, the 4th launch of Falcon 1. This time, the rocket reached orbit. For the first time in history, a privately built rocket made it into Earth's orbit. That single victory saved SpaceX. NASA stepped in with a contract, Tesla found new investors, and Musk's life changed forever. SpaceX evolved from a small rocket company into the most advanced private space organization on Earth. Falcon 9, Starship, commercial missions. Tesla rose as the symbol of the electric future. Gigafactories around the world. Electric vehicles becoming a global movement. For the first time, Musk became one of the richest people on Earth. But every rise comes with shadows. Musk became a public figure unlike any other CEO. His comments online shaped markets, sparked debates, and sometimes created chaos. The acquisition of Twitter, now X, opened a new chapter, a massive platform, bold changes, and divided opinions. To some, he's a visionary pushing humanity forward. To others, he's reckless and unpredictable. Despite the controversies, one thing remains clear. Elon Musk thinks in scales most people don't. Colonizing Mars, renewable energy, global electric transport, artificial intelligence, and a multi-planet future. He takes enormous risks because he believes humanity must reach further. Elon Musk will always be a figure with two sides, a visionary genius, or the most controversial leader of our time. He builds the future, but leaves intense debates behind.